Hello student. In this part we will discuss on how the fruits are produced. The last part of post-fertilization event, ovary mature into fruits. After the fertilization, ovary mature, or you can say that ripened ovary produce fruit. After the fertilization, the ripened ovary change into fruit. The outer wall of the fruit is known as pericarp. The outer wall of the fruit is called pericarp. A fruit is basically three types. Fruits are of three types. True fruits, false fruit, and parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic fruits. There are three types of fruits: true fruits, false fruit, and parthenocarpic fruit. True fruits, the fruits which develops from the ovary, यानी जो fruit ovary के portion से ovary mature होकर बनाती है, that is called, those are called true fruits. The fruits which develop from ovary यानी जो ovary के mature होने के बाद, ovary के ripened के पश्चात जो fruit बनते हैं, those are called true fruit. For example, mango. False fruit, the fruit which develops from the floral part, such like as thalamus, but not from ovary. Those are called false fruit. The fruits which develops from other floral part, except then ovary. ओवेरी से नहीं, फ्लोर के अदर बर्ड से, जैसे कि थैलेमस से. अब फ्लोरल पार्ट ब्रैकेट में डालते हैं थैलेमस. एक्सेप्ट देन ओवेरी, दोज आर कॉल्ड फॉल्स फ्रूट. फॉर एग्जांपल, एप्पल. Apple is known as false fruit because its development can take place with the thalamus, not from ovary. Strawberries, cashew nut, these are known as false fruit. One more type of fruit is parthenocarpic fruit. The fruit which develops, ओवेरी के अंदर फ्रूट जो है डेवलप होता है ओवेरी से है, लेकिन विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. द फ्रूट विच डेवलप्स विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन फ्रॉम ओवेरी, दोज आर कॉल्ड पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट. इस पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट के अंदर क्या होता है कि इसमें फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता. प्लांट हार्मोन ऑक्सिन, जिसके कारण से ये फ्रूट जो है डेवलप हो जाता है. द फ्रूट विच डेवलप without fertilization, those are called parthenocarpic fruit. In this, the plant hormone auxin plays very important role. For example, banana. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit because its development can take place without fertilization. Auxin plant hormone helping to grow the floral bud as well as ovary into the fruit. So it is called parthenocarpic fruit. One more. What is drupe fruit? Mango is called drupe fruit. Drupe fruit. Why mango is called drupe fruit? Because in mango, the endosperm change into stony seed like structure. Stony seed मतलब मैंगो के अंदर जो गुठली होती है स्टोनी में एंडोस्पर्म जो होता है वो स्टोनी कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. इन मैंगो द एंडोस्पर्म convert into a stony substance. So it is called drupe fruit. Clear? This is the events which occurred after the fertilization. Ovary mature into fruit and how the fruit develops. They are known as false fruit, drupe fruit, and parthenocarpic. Two more terms: apomixis and polyembryonic. Apomixis. What is apomixis? In some grasses, the development of seed can take place without fertilization. Fruit without fertilization के parthenocarpic और grasses के अंदर seed develop होते हैं बिना fertilization के. That is called apomixis. Development of seed without fertilization. Seeds without fertilization. That is called apomixis. It occurs in grasses. In grass. One more term: polyembryony. Polyembryony. As we know that in ovary one embryo can take place, but in some citrus plants there are two or more than two embryo development can take place. The fruits which contain the plants in which two or more embryo can be present, those are called polyembryony. Citrus plants जितने भी होते हैं. In citrus plant there are citrus plant, citrus fruit, there are two or more embryo development can take place. Embryo development take place. That is called polyembryony or polyembryo. This is also known as polyembryony. There are three types of polyembryony. Means जो citrus plants होते हैं उसमें embryo जो होते हैं कहाँ present होते हैं? Three stage में कह सकते हैं. This is the outermost layer, ovule. Outermost layer, protective layer, is known as integument. Nucleus or nucleus. Nucleus. The zygotic embryo development can take place here. This is the zygotic embryo. This is integument. Nucleus. And this one is zygotic embryo. In polyembryony, in citrus plants or citrus fruit, there are two or more embryo development can take place. So that is called polyembryony. There are three types of embryo. First one is integumentary. Integumentary embryo. The embryo which present at the integuments, means development of embryo can take place at the integuments. This is the integumentary embryo. and second one is zygotic embryo. The main embryo which takes place from the zygote, which develops into the zygote to embryo, that is zygotic embryo. And third one is nuclear embryo. Nuclear embryo means the embryo, development of embryo can take place at the nucleus layer or the nucleus. Those are called nuclear embryo. In polyembryony, there are two or more embryo developments can take place, that is called polyembryony. This occurred in the citrus plants or citrus fruit. There are three types of polyembryony: integumentary embryony, zygotic embryony, and nuclear embryony. Clear?